In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the TikTok ads library effectively. Whether you're a marketer looking to understand the competitive landscape, a business owner aiming to find inspiration for your next campaign, or simply curious about the world of advertising on one of the largest social media platforms, this tutorial is tailor-made for you. First things first, let's talk about what the TikTok ads library is. It's a powerful tool provided by TikTok that allows users to explore a wide array of advertisements that have been shared across the platform. This includes a vast range of creative content, from engaging video ads to captivating promotional images, all available for public viewing. The library is an invaluable resource for gaining insights into trending advertisements, understanding what works in different markets, and discovering new ideas that could inspire your next big campaign. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of accessing and navigating this resource. To begin, we'll need to find our way to the TikTok ads library. Start by opening your favorite web browser and typing https://library.tiktok.com/ads into the address bar. Hitting enter will take you directly to the landing page of the TikTok ads library. This page acts as the gateway to a world of creativity and inspiration where the best of TikTok's advertising efforts are showcased. Upon arriving at the TikTok ads library, the next step involves a crucial decision-making process: choosing your target country. The importance of this step cannot be overstated, as the advertising landscape can vary significantly from one country to another. Trends, consumer behavior, and cultural nuances all play a significant role in shaping what kind of content resonates with an audience. By selecting a specific country, you are effectively narrowing down your search to ads that have been tailored for that particular market, providing you with more relevant insights and inspiration. So, take a moment to reflect on your target audience and select the country that aligns with your advertising objectives. After setting your target country, it's time for the fun part: diving into the ads themselves. Look for the search button, which should be prominently displayed on the page. Clicking on this button activates the search function, allowing you to explore the vast collection of ads housed within the TikTok ads library. At this point, the world is your oyster. You can leisurely browse through the ads, or if you're looking for something specific, use the search filters to refine your results. These filters can help you narrow down your search based on parameters such as industry, ad format, and the objective of the campaign, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. As you explore, take note of the various creative strategies employed in the ads you find most compelling. What makes them stand out? Is it a catchy tune, an intriguing storyline, or perhaps a unique visual effect? Observing these details can provide valuable insights that could be adapted or incorporated into your own advertising strategy. Moreover, by studying ads from different markets, you can better understand global advertising trends, as well as appreciate the cultural subtleties that make each market unique. Navigating the TikTok ads library is not just about viewing ads. It's about immersing yourself in the creative process, understanding what captures an audience's attention, and learning how to adapt these lessons to your own marketing goals. So take your time, explore at your own pace, and let the plethora of creative content inspire you. To wrap up today's tutorial, remember that the TikTok ads library is an open resource, constantly updated with fresh content. It's a good idea to revisit regularly, as staying on top of the latest trends and creative strategies is essential in the fast-paced world of social media advertising. Whether you're brainstorming for your next campaign, studying the competition, or simply curious about the creative possibilities on TikTok, the ads library is your go-to source for inspiration and insight. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to see and utilize the TikTok ads library. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to dive deep into the world of TikTok advertising. Happy exploring, and may your creativity flourish.